Yeah, as you probably figured, it's not really on fire, because if it was on fire, it wouldn't really be purple. Yeah, this is just a smoke grenade. Yeah, maybe I fooled some of you, who knows? Anyhow, in this video I'm gonna try to show you the difference between the high beam and the LED that I installed on my BMW i3. And I have used one camera on the inside, one on the outside,